In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device and tapping on Allow or Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Then click on this icon on the left to access Gear 1 at the top right corner. Here, manage all of those options to adjust them perfectly before starting your recording. When you finished, go back and tap on red button at the bottom to start. Hit allow one last time and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one on the right. To listen to it now, pause it, swipe it on the track and use play button. To record overlay, you can click on red button after picking a place on the track you wanna fix. Then record over it. If you want to end and save your recording though, use this button with a square. Then name it and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use those options like skip silences, repeat, and speed. You can even skip it few seconds each way while listening. Use this icon on the right to add another bookmark while listening, or this one on the left to manage existing bookmarks. Now, what most people miss is that you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Check out all of those options, and my favorite one, which is this icon of a scissors that lets you edit your recording. Just pick a part, click on scissors, and decide if you want to leave this part or cut it. Then hit save at the top right corner and choose save as new recording or replace original. Now to manage recordings on your list, hold one and check out all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!